mean black, but have this accent. Dan it mean lamp. Yeah, Dan it mean temple. Dan. Like different meaning, but the pronunciation is quite similar. Vua, only one meaning, because king, only one in the country. Vua is mean king, and his full name Ninh Tiên Hoàng. Alright, or you can say King Đinh or Đinh Emperor. So now you can come inside here, and with this Đinh Emperor symbol right here. So when you come in this area, you come into the secret area, and in front of the gate you can see two animals in front of the gate. Oh, they are later. I will show you. One temple represents one dragon. There are 4 holy animals in Vietnam. First, dragon. Second, phoenix. Third, unicorn. And last one, turtle. But unicorn in Vietnam is different. Unicorn in Western. Unicorn in Western, its body look like a horse, and there's a horn on its head, right? But unicorn in Vietnam, no horn on its head. The body look like a dog, and the head is look like a lion, and the teeth is sharp like a crocodile. And unicorn represent mercy and majesty, and we often decor 2 unicorn in front of the gate. Unicorn can realize good soul or bad soul inside you. If you doing a good thing in life, always doing good thing in life, you have a good soul. When you come in here, when you go out, you have good luck, good thing, fortune for you and for your family member. And the last holy animal in Vietnam, that is turtle. Turtle represent longevity and wisdom. And if you want to visit the real Dane turtle body, you can go to Ngọc Sơn Temple. Do you know Ngọc Sơn Temple, everyone? Ngọc Sơn Temple located in the middle of Hoàn Kiếm Lake. Hoàn Kiếm Lake, that is the heart of Hanoi capital. And when you cross the red bridge, and you can see, and you can visit Ngọc Sơn Temple, and you can see 2 Jain turtle body. They preserved in Ngọc Sơn Temple. And the last one passed away in 2016. He has been in Hoàn Kiếm Lake for long times ago. Yeah, the real one. And his body weight 169 kilograms. And the biggest one 250 kilograms. Alright, so the main building, that area, that building, that is the main temple, worshipping Đinh Emperor, the first emperor in Vietnam. He's very powerful, and that is unstoppable emperor. Yeah. So the other side over there, worshipping his parents, mother and father of Đinh Emperor. Okay, and the other side over there, they put a map surround here where Đinh Emperor and Lê Emperor build up the citadel surround here. So now I will give you free time to visit around here, take some photo, praying to get a good luck, good health for you and for your family member. When you come inside the building, the main temple, worshipping Đinh Emperor and the prince inside the building, let's take off your hat, take off your sunglasses, and go take a picture inside. You just take a picture outside here, no problem. But when you come inside there, don't take a picture. If you want to respect the first emperor in Vietnam. And you can see the threshold is quite high like that, but I think it's high. Let's step over. Yeah, the threshold is over there, like that one. But it's inside there is higher. Let's step over. And you have to look it down to see the way when you come inside. That your behavior is seem like you respect the other. You have to bow your head a little bit. It seems like you respect Đinh emperor. Alright, so now I give you free time to visit around here. Let me see what time it is. Okay, so now nearly 10:50. Okay, so 10 or 11 or 11:05. I give you 10 or 15 minutes. 11 or 11:05. Let's get back here, and I will stand here for all of you. If you have any questions, thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, let's go around here. You can go that way or go that way. No problem.
When we have no joystick, it means we cannot come to the So what we would like to speak to you.
Dragon show. So you can take some
and people have same name. But we cannot have same address. So we speak our name and our address, and we speak what we want to wish. Some people wish to become successful in
Pero traje la del speaking.
Bây giờ mày thử đứng ở đây xem là chỗ nào nó sáng hơn mày. Ý là tao qua coi mặt ở đây ra khát nước quá. Nhưng mà đông mặt trời đâu? Mặt trời